LATICRETE's intention is to bring our products, our technology to everyone in the world, help build, better, greener, safer buildings.
When someone as a customer has an interaction with us, how does they recognize us? The brand promise, which is very important because it is objective and it's a commitment. It's real and aspirational. You want to deliver that, and if you are not delivering that, you are going to organize to deliver that.
Innovation is really at the heart of LATICRETE's DNA and its success.
LATICRETE is an innovation in name and in the solution.
From that first liquid rubber latex that changed the way tile is installed around the world.
Innovation is not just product. Our ability to adapt and look at our customers' problems and create solutions for those problems.
The R&D innovation spirit has led LATICRETE to come out with some truly sustainable products and systems. It's something that does make a difference.
And one of the best things you can do for the environment is to consume less. So we believe in permanent, monument quality installation that could last more than your lifetime, that will help you reduce less. So do it right with the right materials the first time.
Most companies offer products. We don't offer products. We offer systems.
The job gets done properly, the contractor doesn't have a callback, the architect doesn't have material falling off the wall. It's not enough to just make a good product in the laboratory.
Trust for life. When you put a warranty on a LATICRETE product, that's much better than the competitor.
We love our customers. We love our customers so much that we're willing to make the sacrifices necessary in order to solve their problem.
The customer centricity is really specific to the way we operate.
For us, I think the bigger part is to continually analyze where are the pain points of our customers and how can LATICRETE help resolve those pain points.
We consider our relationship with our customers as one of our key differentiators and success factors.
As long as you have the LATICRETE system, you're covered, you are doing the right thing, and you would have our support. And we became family members with a lot of these major contractors, general contractors and architects across the world.
Improve the built world and the lives of those who build it.